Okay, so this goes over your assignment for tonight. You're going to read the short story one of these days. If there is an online version that you can have read to you, you're more than welcome to do that. It's not a very long short story. But these are two of the elements of fiction, narrative terms that we're going to be looking at. So I know it says make a section in your notebook, but we're already kind of doing an online thing through Google Classroom, so we won't worry about that. However, it's very important that you know these two narrative terms. One is called medias res, which means that you are basically thrown into it in the very middle of the action. Something has happened already. You don't necessarily know what it is, and so you just are literally in the middle of things. You find out more about it later through flashbacks, dialogue, characterization. So you can kind of put some things together. The road is an example of that because you don't know exactly what happened before, but you can get some flashbacks to be able to understand a little bit. Denouement is French, and it is the final resolution of the conflict. It's different from a resolution because it is at the very end of a storyline and ties up everything. Not every story has that. So this is the basic pyramid. You've seen this plot line so many years, so this should be pretty something that should not be new to you. So if you look at the bottom, it says read the attached story. I put that on Google Classroom already as a PDF. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, he is from Colombia. So one of the things we try to do in AP Literature is also get exposure to a lot of other types of writers from different countries, because a lot of the really good stuff is not necessarily from ours. So if you're looking at 1 to 10, it kind of just gives you an idea what's the high point. Some of these are not going to be very long. You will not be, and I will fix this right here, you will not be doing this on notebook paper. So if you look at it, it has all of the different types. You're looking at the plot line, answering the questions. You can space it out, type it into there. And then the only other additional thing is number 10 at the bottom. We will be doing a lot with level 1, 2, and 3 questions. Remember, level 1, you can find it right in front of you. Level 2, you have to infer it, read between the lines. And level 3, we're not even talking about the story anymore. We're talking about theme. We're looking at the big picture. And level 3 questions can apply to any type of writing, any story, any play, any novel. So you're no longer mentioning the title of the story at all. You're looking at the thematic elements that go with it.